are just one. There are 5 other states where we are in the process of having.
I'm not even a party Manoj. I'm not here. The central agency, Manoj, KVS. I'm sorry, Manoj. I'm sorry, Manoj. We are basically, but it's 2 years down the line. They must have changed their position, Manoj. They must have taken loans. They have taken loans. They would not get any benefit. They are qualified. They will not be appointed.
The Prime Officer view that those who were appointed before the judgment was notified is completely their employment up to this date.
Unless they were protected by a High Court's order which said subject to outcome of what happens here. Unless, because otherwise, let me just
from giving perspective.
Mr. Mehta will run this court now. I mean, every time I say open my mouth, he has to interrupt.
Malad, I do not know, Malad. I sometimes wonder
anything.
whether he is inherently rude or he has taken some course.
Not from you.
The entire exercise with
He seems to have undergone some special training, Malad.
May I just submit one thing? There is already a writ petition wherein we had thought.
I'm sorry. I'm not. We're just. We are just reacting on the Madhya Pradesh question. Yeah. Yes, it was, which has not been placed by them, which is not referred to in the advertisements either. So we have copies of it.
My notes, it's in that compilation.
No, it's not. We're giving it separate.
Let them file a reply, Malad. Let them file a reply. Proper reply, Malad. We can't.
No, they should have placed it. Is all I'm saying. They should have placed it. It's the state. It's the government of Madhya Pradesh who has appeared through Assistant Solicitor General and Government Advocate. If I may just read this and please note a few dates. This is very relevant. The Rajasthan High Court's judgment is dated 25th November 2021. So with effect from 25th November 2021, following the Kusum Ingots principle, which is well laid out, once a central notification is struck down, it stands struck down for everywhere in the country. There's no exception to it. Yes, but I'm just telling you, Lordship, 25th November 2021. Now just see that they are represented, Government Advocate, Assistant Solicitor General, they're all represented. Challenge here, this is the fourth para, is to the virus of the eligibility condition for direct recruitment for the post of primary teacher to the extent it prescribes B.Ed degree to be one of the essential qualifications and the notification of similar nature. Yes, writ petitions are pending. Now they have told the court, and that is in the compilation handed up, it's the last order. They have told the court there that our applications are pending here, they have to be taken up. That is exactly it. Now,
they are really stated in the application.
Yes.
That our judgment should be prospective. Has to be prospective.
Yes.
We hold so.
Yes.
Then that
So allow me to make a submission on that. If you have already rejected this prayer, 4 times. Lords, this or this is the fact are that the same notification, the 2018 NCT notification, and the two advertisements pursuant thereto are challenged in this. Now, when this came up for the first time, it came up after the Rajasthan High Court judgment, which quashed the NCT notification. So, the primary argument that your lordship are being faced with is this: what is the effect of the Rajasthan High Court judgment on all the other states? Which Rajasthan High Court judgment, to the extent that it quashed the NCT notification, has been sustained by this court. So the Rajasthan High Court judgment, which merges, is dated 25th November 2021. Now that struck down a central notification, therefore it's binding everywhere, which is why when the matter was taken up, Devesh's matter was taken up by your lordship, it notes the fact that apart from Rajasthan, UP,
Correct.
yes,
Whatever you are out. It's hard. Very appealing.
I have,
But
yes,
problem
I agree. So you dealt with it. Correct. So now the date for reckoning is the first question. No, I'm sorry. Correct. Yes. After 25th November 21. Correct. So after 25th November 21, anybody who issued advertisements were doing so at their peril, which is why three other states apart from Rajasthan came to this court. Your lordships had them all as parties and said, we're taking the facts of Rajasthan, we'll take a look at Rajasthan and give our judgment based on Rajasthan. Secondly, this is not the first application. This is not the first special bench of your lordship disturbing yourself at 2 o'clock. We've been before you before. No. So the question is, those clarification applications, what were the prayers there and what your lordship said there? They asked for the same thing. They said prospective. They said allow it to be prospective. Your lordship said no, nothing doing. In one case it was dismissed. In two cases it was withdrawn. In the fourth case, which is Bihar, your lordships particularly said, while Bihar is not a party before us in these proceedings, we believe that the judgment in Devesh Sharma will be fully implemented by the state of Bihar without passing that direction, and said that all consequential advertisements, notifications, etc. after 2018, not 23, not even 21, from 2018, all of them would go. That's what your lordships directed, which is why now you have a Bihar High Court judgment, and if your lordship were to disturb this, the Bihar High Court judgment follows Devesh Sharma, against which, if another date is given, apart from this one application of Madhya Pradesh, you'll find an SLP of Bihar, you'll find other applications, and Devesh Sharma will be opened up all over again.
Your Lordship, a wrong statement has been
Now,
made with
allow me to.
the MA that was filed. It was not on behalf of appointed candidates.
That's not on. There are 5 applications. I don't know which one. This is particular. Now, if your lordship will just take up that compilation, this is to show you that fully aware of the Supreme Court's interim order that your lordships passed in the Rajasthan matter, Madhya Pradesh said that all appointments would be the subject matter of the final order of the apex court. So now, the advertisements that they issued should have told these new candidates coming in ineligible that, look, we have made this statement before the High Court, it's going to be subject matter of all proceedings. It's not a simple matter of saying that they were caught unawares. Nobody was caught unawares. Everybody knew. All the other states, all the other applicants who were B.Ed candidates had intervened before this court, made arguments, many of them by counsel present today. Now see the advertisement dates of Madhya Pradesh, which is relevant.
After this,
2 advertisements.
Only one, my learned friend has something to say.
not understand anything.
Yes, the 2 advertisements which were issued
is
by Madhya Pradesh are 19th October 2022
16th November.
and 16th November 2022.
After this order.
This is both after the order of the judgment of the Rajasthan High Court, which was not stayed by this court, and the High Court's interim order in Madhya Pradesh. Interestingly, what the Rajasthan High Court did was to quash the notification, therefore B.Ed couldn't take part. When they came to your lordships in SLP, the B.Ed candidates as well as the state, your lordships did not stay the judgment and said that all appointments made pursuant to the Rajasthan High Court judgment is subject to the outcome of this. That means without B.Ed candidates, appointments were made, and therefore it would be subject matter or subject to the outcome of Devesh. So if Devesh finally decided to reverse the Rajasthan judgment, then the B.Ed candidates would get their rights for the first time. That is what happened in Rajasthan. Same has to follow suit for all the states, and that's what your lordships have said. Now, I've shown your lordships the interim order, which makes it clear that it will be subject to the outcome. Outcome has come now. Those who have suffered this order
नहीं खुला है।